got this up there yet, you know, like this, it might be better, yeah, to put the screw in first before you tape it in, huh? What do you think? That's what I'm thinking. Hey, this is Rick Wilson, and welcome to OAM. And what we're going to do today is we're going to try to get this piece of stuff that just came in. This is try to get this mounted today, man. This came in. I'll leave a give you the idea of where I got this from. I got this so cheap. I was going to make one, and you know, this thing is actually cheaper than what I could make it, and with all the supplies, I've got a welder and everything, but man, this thing went for $41. So yeah, I'll pay that. So what I want to do is I'm going to transfer, as you know, my battery to in here, and I took the horn off, and it looks like I'm going to have plenty of room here. There's a little thing there that right now it's just kind of sitting down on top of this hose, so I'm going to mark my spots with what? Yep, this pin right here. Okay, I've already looked inside, and I should not have any problems with where I'm going to drill here. And so we're just going to go from there. Alright, that's where I want the holes, and that's what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make me a pilot hole. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to knock a little dent right there. Then I'm going to knock another little dent right there. Then I'm going to knock another little dent right over there. I'm going to knock another little dent right there. There you go. So what I'm going to do here first is, by the way, I'm using 5/16 screws, which should give me no trouble whatsoever. Let's put this on 2. Okay. Alright. So 2. Alright. Let's make them a little elongated bigger. I'll screw this in here. Right here. Okay. I want my screwdriver. So now you know why I have a magnet. That's right. Alright, you know what? I'm not real sure about these holes. That's what I'm not real sure here. Those two came out good. Alright. This one should be fine too. Alright, so let's put, there we are, right there. Nope, pilot. Okay. All right. Big one. I don't know if you saw my last show or not, but I was pretty down about those pulleys. But now that I look at them, I'm thinking maybe I can clean them up pretty good. I'm still wondering how I'm going to turn it, but I'll figure that out as well. And you know, we're just playing this by ear anyway. So what the heck? All right, here we go. Looks like everything that wants to fall down there is doing it, so I won't have to throw anything down there. Alright, let's see if one of these is gonna... Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, what's this tape for? Well, I'm gonna show you. Take tape. Since I ain't got any friends, what I do is I'll use this tape to hold them in on this side. But you know what would be smarter? Since I ain't got this up there yet, you know, like this, it might be better, yeah, to put the screw in first before you tape it in, huh? What do you think? That's what I'm thinking. All right, so there we go. You see? You see, I'm lucky enough that I got one of these clamps here holding that side up. So now I'm gonna go through here and put the other one on. So if you're anything like I am, you don't have any friends. Nobody likes you. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to, if you notice, I put tape on the other side of this bolt. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reach up here on this bolt, some kind of how, and knock my light off. Let's put it back. Now you know why nobody likes it. I don't even know what I just did then, but anyway. So I'm gonna reach in here and I'm gonna put this on there, and then I'm gonna put a lock washer on there, and now I'm gonna put a bolt on there. All right, so that one. Okay. All right, now it's starting to spin with me, so that's what I wanted. All right. So. Okay, I should have another one about right in here. Summers. Yep, there it is right there. Alright, so let's go put that one in. See it? Right there? Yeah. Alright, let's go put that in. Alright, so as you see right now what we got going on, let's see if I can, let's put this one up here. Alright. So now what we got going on is we're going to put a nudding on there. And what this is for is we're putting tape on there so it won't back out while I'm putting my nut on there. I mean, yeah, on the other side. So I'm going to put this one up in there, just like that. See how it wants to fall out? So let's put a piece of tape over it. Tape's cheap. Let's put another piece of tape over it. That'll keep it from backing out while I'm trying to put my screw on there. Alright, let's take you with me. With ease. Easy does it. Okay, I got my bifocals on, so everything I'm looking at is out of, it's not clear. Why you keep doing that? Alright, got that one going. Okay, so now we've got both of those on. And now we got to get one. Oh, there's one on the other side. So, alright, so now we're going to put our tape back on. There, and I think I'll go ahead and do the other one as well. don't know, I'm very hot natured, so I'm sweating, but I'm cold. I woke up this morning, it was 25 degrees in the big city of Selma, Alabama. So us Southerners, we're not big on cold weather. I used to live in Michigan, did I tell you that? Yeah, when I was in the Coast Guard, I was up on a big old icebreaker called Coast Guard Cutter Sundew. Sure was. Breaking ice. Just what a Southern boy needs. Alright, so let me go see if I can put these on without messing the camera up. Went to the doctor today. Said I need to lose weight. Of course, every time you go to the doctor, that's what you pay them for. I'm going to tell you need to lose weight. Apparently. That's the only thing they've ever told me. But I guess it's my fault. Of course it's moving. What are you... Okay. The better the tape you use, the better this might be. But all I got is that old tape you used to paint with. Yeah. Not gonna do. Let's put some more on there. What I really need is friends to come help me do this. Yep, that's what I need. Uh-oh. Oh, it's on there, okay. Alright. Friends. You gotta have friends. Stick with you to the end. You gotta have friends. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna take this now, this vice grip, and I'm gonna stick it on the inside so that it will hold it while I come out here. Is that what I want to do? No, that is not what I want to do. It's easier for me to put the vice grips on right here. Let it lock up on something, huh? Huh? Yeah. Let's put it right here. Okay. Good. Alright. A little. Okay, so now I'm gonna go inside, tighten them up. Where did I got this idea from? Well, could have been vice grip garage, but it was not. Alright, is it running? Yes, it's running. Okay, so this time I gotta put my vice grip on the other side. That's pretty solid already. Alright. This is what we get. Here. here so that we can get everything across here. Alright, that looks good. Alright, one more. One more. Here we go, look. It's going better than I thought it was going to go. Thank goodness. Alright, let's put it on the bottom one now. Again. Dokie. Alright, so I got them behind there and got them right there. So this is awesome. Alright. Good to go. Alright, I am good to go. Alright, so let's see what a battery looks like sitting up there on that. Don't you love gravity? Gravity. You know I was gonna sing that song. Perfect fit. Oh man, yeah. I love it. Whew. Well, that was something else, wasn't it? Well, I tell you what, the next thing we're gonna do is, and I hope I can get this done today, is to get some tires mounted so that I can roll this thing around. And but anyway, I'm real proud of that, the way that came out. Well, actually, the next thing we're going to probably try to do in the very near future is to pull the cables out from under the floor there and get them run up to where they need to go to the battery. But again, going back to the tires, I did get my last tire cleaned up and fixed. So I say tire, my rims. So I'm going to get them. Get some 4 Maypops mounted on those, and I'm freezing to death. Man, I woke up this morning, it was like 25 degrees. So anyway, it's cold and I'm cold, and it's the next day. If you noticed, I got different clothes on, but that's okay. I will see you guys later. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, and Lord have mercy, I need you to subscribe, because like 90% of you guys aren't, and it would help me if you would. Now I'm gonna fix to go get warm, and y'all be sweet. Bye. Later.